namanya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ayudita Anggraini.
And my name is Insyira Nur Ulfi.
And today we want to present the type, characteristic, and elements of drama When I Grow Up by Matilda the Musical. The first is type and characteristics. Number one is type. The type of this drama is musical drama because this drama is a form of artistic expressions that is collaborate between music, behavior, movement, and dance, which depicts a story in which interesting choreography and music to form a musical drama. Number two is message. This musical drama tells about kids who imagine what they will do when they grow up and fantasizing about become adults and all the things they will do. And also these children think that when he grow up, they can do anything without forbidden by others. They say that when they grow up, they can climb trees, answer any questions they know, fight against creatures you have to fight, and do all things that mom not like, etc. But behind all that, we have to keep smiling even though there are any obstacles that stand in our way and have to endure whatever happens. Let's just say everything is okay. And the third is format. The format of this drama is the lyric of music by Timmy Chin that with title When I Grow Up. This is the part 1 and this is the part 2. And next is process and production. Number 1 is taking directions. The first is a boy singing solo on the swing with a dreamy expressions. And the second, the other children come singing and playing on the swings together. And the third, they sing passionately and do choreography using the swing props. And the fourth, Miss Honey and Matilda come with the calm and mellow atmosphere. And the fifth, Miss Honey sings emotionally and deeply. And the sixth, close with a loud, stern chant from Matilda with the stage lights shining her way. Number 2 is costume. There are student uniform, girl outfit, and teacher outfit. And number 3 is setting stage. The setting stage of this drama is theaters in the around and park theme with some swings. And last is audience. The audience who were mostly kids with their parents, young girl and boy, because the drama presents a happy atmosphere and was almost the same as the current situation, the children who imagine the joy of being adults.
So now we move to elements. Literary elements. There are consist of first, plot. The musical When I Grow Up combines the desires that children have when they become adults, and even Miss Honey wants the same because she was placed under similar restrictions as a child by the Churchville regime. When they grow up, they hope to be smart enough to answer all the questions you need to know the answer to before you grow up, and be brave enough to fight the creatures you have to fight under the bed each night into adulthood. Then Miss Honey commented on Matilda's maturity that even though Matilda looked like a child, you are not a child at all because your mind and reasoning seem fully mature. Second, we have dumb. The dumb of this drama is about kids aging for adulthood, blissfully ignorant of its pains and burdens. And third, its characters. We have protagonists. There are Matilda and Mrs. Honey. We have no dialogue here because it's a musical drama. They just consist of lyric of the music. And the last is sound. The sound of this musical drama is original music from Theme Machine. And six, we have genre. It's a musical drama. Seven, it's encourage and dramatical language style. And the last mood or feeling is are tense, happy, and sad. Technical elements. We move to technical elements now. There are scenery or sets. Scenery or sets in this drama is on the foliage of different colors. The costumes are school uniform, teacher uniform, and also dress. And lights, we have colorful lightning with medium intensity. And next is property. They use swings and books. And the sound of this drama is the character himself sings and follows the scene if it changes. And makeup they look is natural makeup and no makeup look. 7, we have not special effect, and the last is blocking. Blocking, there is change of sets, which means the change color of background, and swing reduction.
And then we move to performance elements. Number 1 is acting. A facial expressions. The facial expression of this drama is like the children feel hope to be adult and do what they want when adult. And B, body language. The body language of this drama is like living up bravely and is also active in every scene. And C, voice. For the voice, it's very melodious and good. Number 2 is character motivation. Character motivation of this drama is to be brave, to face the future. And number 3 is character analysis. The first is Maltida. Maltida is shown to be a kind and caring girl who loves her friends and also adore her teacher, Mrs. Honey, very much. And the second is Mrs. Honey is a kind and affectionate person who, despite her past, is kind to her students and everyone around her. And the last is audience. Audience for this drama is for all age, especially kids. Okay, that's all for
From
it.
us. Sorry if there is some mistakes from us, and thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.